I have to pay my bills by playing a game? That's kind of cool. Flip. Wait a second, this is easy.